In this video, I'm going to be talking about the best mortgage rate in the UK right now. If you find it useful, please hit that like button, but also subscribe to the channel because we update our mortgage comparisons every month on YouTube. I will be linking to an article on the Money to the Masses website in the notes of this video, which we update weekly with all of the best mortgage rates, so make sure you do bookmark that. So what I'm going to do is jump straight over to the Money to Masses website and show you our best mortgage rates article. This is updated weekly, as I mentioned. In it, we cover best fixed rate mortgages, best tracker mortgages, best first time buyer mortgages, and best buy to let mortgages for those landlords out there. I'm going to jump straight to the fixed rate mortgages at the moment. So on a 2-year fix, you can get 4.19% with the Progressive Building Society if you have a 60% loan to value. Now, I will point out that beyond them, so if you don't go with Progressive Building Society, the next best rates are about 4.3% or more. So they are the outlier at the moment. If you've got an 80% loan to value, again, it's Progressive Building Society. They're a bit of the outlier in terms of how low their rate is. Do be mindful of the lender's fee. They're over £1,100. If you have a 90% loan to value, then you can get a Leeds Building Society mortgage with a rate of 4.85%. Of course, it does depend on your own personal circumstances which mortgages you are able to get. Always speak to a mortgage broker who can shop around for you. Now, in the last month, the market has shifted massively. There have been hundreds of mortgages pulled, and there have been the average rate. So the average rate on a 2-year fix is much higher than these. It's probably 5 to 6%. Those rates have seen the average jump by about 0.2 to 0.3% in the last month, and that's because inflation has proved sticky. So the lenders are worried about how high the Bank of England base rate will go. If we go down to a 5-year fix, we're looking at around 4% for 60% loan to value. 80% loan to value, you get 4.31% with NatWest, and 90% loan to value, it's the Cumberland. And they again have got a lender's fee around £1,100. If you are interested in a 10-year fix, there are some deals out there. About 4.5% is roughly about what you're going to get. Tracker mortgages, 2-year tracker rates, we're looking at around about 4%. So if you've got a 60% loan to value, you can currently get just under 4% with Marsden Building Society. Now, one thing to bear in mind, I've shown you some of the best mortgage deals out there. We do cover first-time buyer mortgages and buy-to-let mortgages in that article. But I do want you to go and look at our comparisons table because you can actually compare mortgages on the Money to the Masses website. There's a tool, I put a link again in the notes of this video where you can go and put in your details of your property and your loan to value, and it will tell you the best rates that you could potentially receive. If you are within 6 months of your fixed rate deal finishing and you want to fix again, then I really urge you to go and speak to a mortgage broker. If you don't know one you can trust, then there is a link below in the notes of this video to an article about mortgage brokers where you can find a service where you can search for a mortgage broker near you with good reviews. And don't forget, if you found this useful, please make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.